Hey everybody, it's Eddie from Wyo Dent Company. What we have here today is a 16 Fusion black, and it's a really nice vehicle, except it's been in a hailstorm and now it has a lot of dents. The hood is hit really hard, but we're going to fix that in PDR, paintless dent repair. So we're going to be able to take all those dents out without painting it, and that keeps your factory finish. You don't get into e-coat, anything like that. It's all the same original protection for your vehicle. All the sides are hit, rails, the roof. This deck lid is hit really hard, which is common because it has a thinner metal and they just tend to get more damage. But we're gonna make this look perfect again. And all the moldings are damaged. This quarter glass, the upper molding, the belt moldings are all damaged, so we're gonna have to replace all those so that they're brand new again. And here's Mindy. She's working on the roof. We had to drop the headliner so that we can get access to the underneath so we can push the dents. And she's making it look great, as you can see. And we will, once the dents are all pushed, we'll put the headliner back up. And here we're working on this hood. We take the hood off so that we can turn the hood easier, so that we can make it look perfect again. Because you have to cross-check your hoods, so each dent has to be checked multiple directions in the light so that the shadow comes across the dent in different ways. So what we do is we take them off, and you can see here I'm fixing that hood with a whale tail underneath the brace. We use whale tails when we have to. And as you can see, we have the tail lights out so we can get in the quarters here. You can see Mindy, she has a rod up and she's fixing the dents in the quarter. So we go through the tail light pocket and we push the dents out, and when we can't push them anymore up the rail, we use glue pull method. And here's the fender. A lot of dents on this side of the car. The wind was blowing a little bit, I believe. So we're fixing these dents here. This takes a lot of time to learn how to do. And as you can see, we're just pushing one dent up at a time. And here's the finished product. We have the hood back on, we have the headliner up, it's all cleaned up, and it is perfect again. And that's what we like to do here at Wyo Dent Company. We want to get this car back to original condition. We have all the new moldings on, the quarter glass, the deck lid looks awesome again, which it was really bad, but it looks great. If you have hail damage or door dings, just stop in by at 1659 Stillwater Avenue in Cheyenne, or you can call us at 307-399-6045, and you can find a link to Google Maps and to our website in the section below.